Dito ko mo. Picture ka dyan, no? Bemo Liosco. Yan. Senior pa naman siya. May kainan din pala dito. Bemo Farm. May kainan pala dito. Nalaglag. Nakatakong siya eh.
Hindi, padaan mo na. Meron pa magdaan. No, tatlo na.
Ganda yan.
Ito yung million flower. Flower pala, million na.
Welcome to our farm. So this is the Bemo farm. And warning, you are entering a real working. Okay. Farm animals with unpredictable behavior. Okay, that's the precaution. Uy, ayun, may mga strawberry farms dun. Dito, bilihan ng gulay. So may mga bilihan dito ng gulay. Tapos pick and pay lettuces. Yun. Pwede kang pumitas ng mga strawberries or any they call this lettuces. Tapos babayaran mo yung mga mapipitas mo. Tapos may mga kabayo. Horseback riding. Ayun, may kabayo. Si mama at si tatay.
Doon ka tayo. Huwag kang lumapit.
So yeah, it's my first time to see this Bemo farm here in Davao. And ayan, ang ganda, ang lamig dito. Actually, after dun sa sa Sea of Clouds, dito naman yung stop namin kasi halos magkalapit lang sila. So ayan, you can pick and pay lettuces, and there's a horse shit there. Okay, so there are lettuces here, and there are farmers. Okay, So there are horses. You can do horseback riding, and there we got the strawberry. I think this is strawberry or still lettuce. Okay, so there's a farmer there, and tinatend niya yata or nagpipick siya ng lettuce. I don't know. And there we got a big horse with a big horse shit on the ground, and there we can see Bemwa sign there. And there's Billy, by the way. She's walking there and waving, hello guys, that's Billy. And you can see so many kinds of plants. There we got different colorful plants. So good, so nice. And there, Bemwa Farm. So this is one of a nice experience visiting such kind of place. And there we got big horse shit on the ground again, and there some colorful plants again. So nice. I really like the plant colors. And it says here, no smoking. Bawal mag-yosi talaga dito sa Davao. And there, sunflowers. Alam ko meron kami nito pero hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan niya. I forgot the name. There are grown lettuces there. Small lettuce, big lettuce. And I think there are playground somewhere down there. The ambience is nice actually. Yeah. Oh, and there's mom and dad walking inside the Bemwa farm. And she's ready to pick lettuces. There we go.
Ganda talaga.
Yan, lettuces, oh. Pwede kang pumitas.
Wala na raw strawberry.
Wala na.
Walang strawberries daw ngayon.
Ay, kasi
Ano nga
ano,
to?
dapat winter season.
Ang ganda niya talaga. Ay, tsura mo ako kaganda.
Okay, this is the Bemwa sign with my mom posing on the background. As its background. Okay, let's walk again. Lettuce on the ground. And the kids are really enjoying there. They're riding the horses there.
Hello!
So there's Kurt riding the horse.
Nahala
picture ng tuluha kayo ito na dikit ng lima kaya pidahan ng tuluha. Sige, picture. Picture ng tuluha.
Those are young cowboys.
Mal, dire. Tanaw dire.
Huh? Ilong Ranger, oh, Ilong Rangers.
Soy, ayaw. Ayaw niyok, ayaw lang niyok.
Sige, tis ganda. Ayan si Budi.
Budi, si Maya.
Picture 1 2 3. Sapa 1 2 3.
Ayos, pang Castle Whiskey.
Ya, pwira gud ya. Dere ka dayo.
Pagbabalik ka na kamo.
Oh, Tanduay Models.
3, 4. Ako'y magunit. Dali-daligan.
Si Mayang madali ni gulo sa likod.
Ay. Tay. Mga taga-pagmana. Taga-pagmana ng asyenda. Ay, may paana-ana pa sila. Mga taga-pagmana ng asyenda.
Efedero. Ayun,
Mayang, George. Mayang.
si Mayang, oh.
Oh, Mayang.
Oy, may pa ganun pa sombrero. Ay, oh, lapil na. Oh. Ala.
Ay, mga bata.
Ala. Stop si Mayang, stop. Picture natin.
Sige na, Mayang.
Si Bude.
Hirapan. Profile picture.
Okay, so let's go to the farthest part of the farm, and there are people enjoying the walk, visiting this place. There we can see the mini trail curbs, and this kind of arc here. It says Bemwa Nature Walk. Okay, so I don't know if I can go inside, but I'm lazy because my shoe will get dirty. Oh, so we can see some playgrounds here. There's swing, mini farmhouse, and some playhouse there. Some play drums. And playhouse. Okay, we can see some plants here also, and other fields, crop fields there, but I think that's an off limit. So hindi naman yata natin pwedeng puntahan dyan kasi we're not authorized already, and there's a sign there, do not enter, so meaning this is the only place where public people can go. Okay. And there we can see Mayang walking in her black dress, very nice. So she's Wednesday, she's not Mayang. And I'm going back to the main entrance. then we're about to leave and we'll go to the next stop. So thank you so much, Bemo Farm, for this wonderful experience to visit your place. So this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Studio saying goodbye, God bless, take care.